All right, people, we're going to talk about two crypto gems. One of them could definitely go 100x. The other one's a little bit more solid, and people have actually been talking about it, and there's a reason why I'm actually good with this coin. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is Ando. I think some of you have already heard about Ando. It is RWA, real world asset tokenization. But their angle is they have some kind of inroad with BlackRock and they're going to start tokenizing BlackRock. And we all know crypto people love to think that the BlackRock is the cabal. And if they're working with BlackRock, they are a peg for success. Now, I'm not really that super bullish, that bullish about Ando, but I do think it has a lot of potential. It is $321 million market cap and has decent volume at $79 million. However, the circulating supply is only maybe 13% of the total supply, so there will be dilution. How fast? I'm not sure, but that is to be something to be aware of. Obviously, something with 1 billion supply is going to be a lot pricier than something with 10 billion supply, and the fully diluted market cap is $2.3 billion already. My guess is by when the bull run, around the bull run time, it might be like $2-3 billion supply, so there will be sufficient dilution for Ando. However, even the fully diluted market cap of 2.3 billion, I think that can go up several times over. And I do think like with the BlackRock narrative, I definitely think this could be one of the safer bets in the fold. Now let's take a look at the 100x coin that's really risky. Yes, it is another gaming gem. Someone mentioned it to me. The website's Yaku.ai. And Yaku, even this graph looks like it's pumping, but it has very little volume, only $636,000. And the market cap of less than $1 million. If you're looking for a super low cap gem, this might be it. The fully diluted market cap is $21.76 million because only 1.74 of the coins are out. But you might say like, oh, there's a lot to dump on me. That's true, but a fully diluted market cap of $22.26 million is not all that much. It is a Solana coin, which means it's going to have a decent amount of liquidity. Yes, it's spiked recently. I might want to, if you want to take a risk and wait for it to come down, I might wait for it to come down to, maybe like 2 cents or something, 2.5 cents to buy. I think that's a good rate. It's obviously gone up a lot with the overall market right now the last few days, and it's receiving kind of a pump. They do actually have a game. It's not quite as developed as AWT, I'm afraid. They're still in their like pre-alpha stage. If you hit play now on their hub, what you see is Yaku, Craft a Reality, and Immersive Action MMORPG. They are on store.epicgames.com. But the thing is, like, they're still in like early stage. You can apply to be part of the early development, and they say to participate in the alpha development of Yaku, please join our community Discord server and find out more about taking off on your Yaku journey. Once onboarded, get your first character, estates, motors, and choose your faction. Create your reality in the dark future world of Yakushima. And this is an early access game, so you can get in early. Maybe there'll be some rewards as well. So could be some free stuff. So early access games are still under development and may change significantly over time. As a result, you may experience unforeseen issues or completely new gameplay events while playing the game. You can also play now to experience the game while it's being built, or wait until it offers a more complete experience. This game supports or includes the use of blockchain, NFT technology, or cryptocurrency. All transactions and related activity, payments for in-game purchases, funds, refunds, and customer support are handled by the publisher of this product. Please be advised before purchasing any cryptocurrency or digital assets that players should do their own research. Player purchases through third-party marketplaces are made at their own risk, and Epic Games does not encourage or purchase or sell any cryptocurrency or digital asset. That's just kind of like what it is actually right now. You can get in early, and they will have a full game soon. So they are active in developing it because they have developed part of the game. They want people to test it before they release the full game. So it's at an earlier stage of game release. And right now it's a smaller market cap than something like AWT. So this is even more risky than AWT. IGN has not promoted it yet. And but the market cap is under $1 million right now. Now, more coins are definitely going to come out. They might actually have some rewards. I'm not really sure. You'll probably have to join their Discord for that. But they have a fully diluted market cap of 22.26 million, which is absolutely nothing. and I don't think all the coins are coming out that fast. So it's probably like a single digit million coin, even if they start releasing some more. So maybe like, if they start releasing some more coins, maybe about the same market cap as AWT, but this could be another gem, and it's good to spread your bets out in the gaming world because you don't really know which one is going to succeed. This one might swap easier than AWT eventually because it's on Solana and the volume is actually going up. And because it's on Solana and the Solana ecosystem is growing, they actually might have more investors looking at it. So it is actually a good time to get in now if you want to get in it. Now, I wouldn't throw a huge amount of money at it because you know what I think about these smaller coins. They're a dime a dozen, pig in a poke, and you're hoping that it works out, and it could just not work out. It's very, very risky, but I do think it's actually worth your time to actually take some of these gambles because the upcoming bull run will be pretty big, and some of these could definitely work out. And if you lose a couple $100, I think it's actually worth the gamble, unless you don't have a couple $100 to lose, obviously. These are ones where you buy for a couple $100 and you hope to basically get, 10, 20,000 out of it. If you want to invest more, that's your choice. I just certainly don't recommend it for most people because that might be a little too much to lose if you lost like a couple $1,000 on a small gamble. Now, this is exactly like the AWT gamble. And instead of like investing $500 in AWT, you might want to do $250 in AWT, $250 in this. So this could actually be a very, very good low cap gaming gem. It is on Epic Games Store and it will be published on Epic Games. Maybe they'll get a deal like IGN and they'll actually promote it. And I would definitely check out, like, if you really want to invest in it. I don't think I'm going to put money in this one right now, but like, if you really do want to invest more than a little bit of money in it, you might want to join their Discord and get in on the pre-alpha release to see how the game actually is. Because right now, there's less material out on Yaku than there is on AWT. And basically, like, there's not as much information on it. And I don't know if people are really, like, there's actually people playing AWT. And there is a trailer for this game right now. I don't see any more gameplay right now, but there is actually a trailer for it. You probably want to keep it on wraps. I'm gonna guess they're not gonna kill me for playing the trailer on this one. So obviously it's a futuristic Japanese type game with Simbo and Sakura. Then mega corporations have created an uninhabitable world, controlling society with their whatever, but a decentralized resistance plans to bring the palace back. So crypto people are going to save the world. Okay, I guess good graphics, but I'm not really sure if this is the actual gameplay. That's kind of scary. That's an AI-generated face. You have some kind of motorcycle, and you're a cyborg. There's a powerful energy found within the Yakashimi forest called Suisui. Whatever, it's like a motorcycle RPG thing. I don't really know about these graphics. I mean, I guess they look okay for the game, but I guess you can get a gist of what the game's actually like. I think we actually need some playtime and screen time. But overall, it looks okay. Not great, but okay. It's not as well developed as AWT, once again. But, there is a game out there. This is more of a product than a lot of other games. And people are actually alpha testing it right now. So there is more development activity than most other games out there. And you can actually see, like, what you can actually buy in the game. You have Yaku Motors, Toys R Whatever, Honda, Monkey DAO, Stone Ape Crew, Yaku Gaming Assets, Yaku Motors, Capsule X, Yaku X. So, like, they have this thing actually fleshed out, but they do need to do a lot of play testing, and it's probably going to be quite a while before it actually releases to the general audience because they need to polish things up. But if you're looking for like low cap gaming gems, this honestly could be another one. You're looking for games that actually have like some kind of like alpha release or they're really in the process of working. You're looking for like, coins that are, under $10 million market cap. And I think this fits the bill both. Like I said, it's at 4 cents right now. You might want to wait until it comes down to like 2 because there has been a gigantic pump. But there is not much volume, so like any kind of money flowing into this would actually make it go up a lot. Once again, this is a very, very risky project. But I think people that are in crypto in the first place are less risk averse than most. So this could actually be a project you could ape a little bit of money on and could pay out big. 22.5 million fully diluted. Even if it's fully diluted, going 100x is like $2 billion, which is definitely possible. in a bull run for a game. But right now it's at like 300 something thousand dollars, and if it's only like $3 million market cap, going 300 million in a bull run is absolutely nothing. So 100x definitely possible for something like that. Losing all your money also very, very possible. I don't always make, I don't always make risky gambles in crypto, but when I do, I make sure it's a possibility that I lose all my money. Also make sure it's a possibility that it can go 100x. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.